Hello, my dear student. Today we are start from this control system. The starting from the model one, that is the introduction to the control system. Okay. Now the control system is a core subject, that is 18 EE 61. The model one, introduction to the control system. In their introduction and classification of control system. Next is the mathematical model of physical system and modeling of the mathematical mechanical system element, electrical system, analogy system, transfer function, single input, single output, procedure for deriving the transfer function, and some theory about this servo motor and synchro and gear. Okay. Next model 2, the block diagram, then signal flow graph, then model 3, time domains analysis. Next is Roth stability criteria. This first two model I think is almost easy. In their third model, Roth stability criteria is very easy to solve the problem. Okay. Next, the model 4. In that model 4, root locus techniques. That is the introduction, root locus concept, then construction of root loci, the rules of construction. Next is frequency response analysis, then Bode plot. Last is model 5, that is Nyquist plot and design of control system. The basically from this, as per your control system syllabus, they are discussing about this control system by Anand Kumar. That is PHI second edition 2004, and the reference automatical control system by Benjamin Coe and control system principle by M. Gopal, and this is also with there. Then control system engineering, then Sylvaston. This is also one of the textbook. As per syllabus, only this control system by Anand Kumar, and it contains each and everything given in the syllabus. Okay, let them start now. The system and control system. The first you let them understand what is the system. The system is what that the collection of object or component connected together to serve an objective. Yes, something objective like that is called as system. Nothing but a or the system is combination component that act together to perform an objective. Means something uh, by wooden, how will get wooden, that is objective, but by tree cutting and all this and they coming the market, then carpentry they are doing that, finally you will get one shape of the wooden like table, chairs, everything, this wooden, that is object, that is one of the kind of system. Now system and control, the both will combine, that is the control system. The control system is that means which is any quantity of interesting in machine or mechanism or other equipment to maintain or alert in according to with the desired manner. Okay, or simple control system is a system which output quantity is controlled by varying input quantity. Okay, this simple control system, it is a real life all in world. Without control we can't do anything, because all the system is always non-linear system, that will count, we have to make it as analyzing the linearization or linear control system. Next, after that the system and control system definition. Next we will come back to uh, physical system. Physical system is the collection of physical object connected together to serve an object. Physical system is now any in the world, the real problem, real world system, that is the physical system where collection of the physical object connected together to serve an objective. No physical system can be represented as a fully physical interaction, or and therefore idealizing the assumption they are always made for purpose of analysis and synthesis of the system. Okay. Next. Okay. Now type of control system. The manually control system, automatically control system. Manually is generally the room temperature regulation via electrical fan, water level control also. That is also another type of control system. With automatically control. Manually means water level will continue by my switch off and all. That is manually we can operate it by making water level control. Another is automatically control system means uh, while home water heater system like geyser also one of this example automatic water heating system, and another is room temperature regulation via AC also, another human body temperature control also, that is also automatic. This is the type of control system that is will be automatically. Okay. Now this some my physical system. The idealizing physical system are called as physical model. Okay, the physical system can be model in the number of wave depending on the specific problem to be dealt with the desired accuracy. Understood? Once a physical model of the physical system is obtained, next what you step? That is next you connect it to mathematical model, which mathematical model representation by physical model through use of appropriate physical law like Newton's law of motion, like current voltage law and current voltage Kirchhoff voltage law. All these physical laws we are applying for this particular system. The depending upon choice of variable and coordinate system for given physical model to maybe lead to different mathematical model. Okay. Next will control system may be modeled to scalar differential equation, can be described system as in state variable or nothing but a vector matrix differential equation. Okay. Now we see generally we are discussing about mathematical model for greater into dynamic behavior, and one more this physical system can be selected. Now mathematical model of the most physical system characterized by differential equation. The most mathematical model of the physical system are characterized by different differential equation. The mathematical model is linear. If differential equation describe it has coefficient which is are either function one of the independent variable or a constant. If the coefficient of the described differential equation are function of time means independent variable, then mathematical model is linear time varying. Linear time varying. In other hand, if the coefficient of described differential equation is constant, then model is linear time invariant system. Okay, this is the difference between this differential equation. Now let them to classification of control system, and that is natural and man-made. Control system natural and another is man-made. In man-made they are having the two types, that is manually, another is automatically. Then automatically will come back to again open loop and closed loop. And the open loop non-linear or linear. Then closed loop also non-linear and linear. Then non-linear time invariant system, time invariant system. Then time varying system, time invariant system. Okay. Now is the classification of control system. Uh, they are now generally we are control system may be classified in the number of wave depending upon the purpose of classification. Okay. The first one, the depending upon on the hierarchy control system may be defined as that open loop control system, closed loop control system, and optimal control system, adaptive control system, learning control system. Next second one is depending upon presence of human being as part of control system. That control system may be classified manually control system, automatically control system. And third one, depending on the presence of feedback, the control system may be classified open loop control system, another is closed loop control system or feedback control system. Next fourth one, According to the main purpose of system, the control system can be classified, that it depends on position control system, velocity control system, process control system, temperature control system, traffic control system. These all different type of classification. Now another is the feedback control system may be classified number of way depend upon purpose of classification. According to method of analysis designing, the control system may be designed as linear control system and non-linear control system. According to analysis and design, the control system may be classified linear and non-linear control system. Okay. Next, the depending upon whether parameters of the system remain constant or varying with the time depending on classified, that is time varying control system, time invariant system. Then similarly, according to type of signal, the control system may be continuous data or discrete control system, or AC control system and DC control system. Depending upon application also, that is position control, velocity, process control, traffic control, these all are application of the control system. Next, depending on the number of input also, output also, that is will the single input, single output, multi input, multi output. Another is the last one, depending on number of open loop, the transfer function present at origin of the S plane. That control system may be type 0, type 1 and type 2. Type 0, that is differential first order, second order, third order, like this. Okay. After that is differential equation of the described in the system, control system may be also classified first order, second order, third order. And depending on the type of damping, control system may be classified undamped, underdamped, critical damp and overdamp. Okay, these are feedback control system. Next is let them control this. After that, we will come back to this. Next, will open loop control system. Okay, very simple open loop control system. The system which output has no effect on the control action. Means system in which output has no effect on the control action. On input is called as open loop. In other words, that in open loop control system, output neither measure nor feedback of comparison with the input. Understood? Then open loop control system is not feedback system. Any control system operate on the time basis open loop. On basis time open loop. And in open loop control system, the output is not compared with the reference input. Therefore, reference input with each reference input the corresponding the fixed operating condition, result, accuracy, depend upon calibration, all those things will come in open loop. In presence of disturbance, open loop control system will not perform desired tasks because output is changed due to disturbance. If not followed by changing any input to correct output, then it is system open loop control. That is the open loop control system change the output corrected by changing the input manually. The open loop control system can be based on the practice only when relation between input and output is known, then is neither internal nor external. On the practical example, I given this example washing machine, that is one of the open loop, soaking, washing and rinsing in the washing operator on the basis of time. This is open loop. The similarly machine does not measure the output signal. The machine does not measure any output signal. For that is the example, what is the cleanliness of the cloth, dirtiness of the cloth, all those things we are not observing. Only for soaking, washing and rinsing only depends on the operating the time, that is open loop. Then similarly traffic control system to operate by means of signal on basis of time. Another one example, that is open loop control system, only the time basis. Traffic control means there is no number of cars will move, that is not considered, only that the basis of time from one way or two way or three or four way, that depends on the basis of time. Then another example, room heater without any temperature sensing the devices, like sensor will not be there, that is there without that is room temperature. And this is general block diagram. This is the reference input, and this is controller, and this is actuating signal, and this is control process, that is nothing but a plant, and it is control variable output. And his controller, by if you are not actuating signal, there is no any error signal. That's why this is control uncontrollable. Therefore, control processing directly, output is independent of the input. Okay. Next, we'll come back to closed loop control system. It is closed loop system, nothing but is referred to as feedback control system. Closed loop system or feedback controls are often referred to as closed loop control system. In practice, closed loop control system, feedback control systems are interchangeable also. In a closed loop control system, that actuating error signal, which is difference between input signal as well as feedback signal, because this will difference between the open loop and closed loop, which is output signal itself as a function of output signal, because the derivative of this integral or is feedback control to reduce the error bring the output of the system desired value. The system that maintain prescribed relation between output and reference input by comparing the difference between the feedback control system. This term is called as closed loop control is always implies that use of feedback control system. Okay, that action is order to reduce the system error. Okay, then finally I will come back to general block diagram of automatical control system, and it is consist of error detector, error signal, plant, path, element, everything is there. Now we can see that this is the reference input, and this is error detector, this is error signal, and this is controller, then it is actuator signal, and it is plant. Then output of this variable, output is desired output variable. Its output is connected to feedback path element, that will be connected to feedback signal. Then you will come this error signal, that is error signal, the difference between the reference input and feedback signal. This is what that it is updating the error signal from to the controller, then it is output will be desired output signal. Okay. Next is another example of a closed loop control system, very easy to understand, that is human being. The best example, human being. A person want to reach from for a book on table, correct? The position of book is given as a reference. The position of book is as a given reference. That feedback signal from eye and compare it to actual position of hand, and with reference position, then error signal is given by brain. Okay. Now here this brain is manipulating error, then give the signal to the hand. This process continue till position of the hand get achieved approximately. For example, here it is the reference position is book, that is input, and its brain is a controller, and hand is plant. Then output position is on the hand, that will be look of this eye, that is reference book. These two error actuating signal, it is connected to the brain. This is the best example human being in this control system. Okay. Next, this simple feedback control system, that is room temperature control system, by measuring actual room temperature, comparison reference temperature, desired temperature, thermostat are heating, cooling, everything on off. This is the room temperature remain uncomfortable. That level of regardless of the outside. Another example is washing machine. Already I discussed. Now difference is the washing machine without cleanliness measuring is called as example of open loop. Now in this closed loop system, in this soaking, washing, raining in the washer operating the on basis, the machine on time, they set the base on the some calculation, but machine does not measure output signal, that is cleanness of the cloth. Once on the time it wore, the machine will be automatically stop. whatever may be the level of cleanness, because depends upon automatical washing machine. You know, automatic washing machine, once you all the cloth dirtiness cloth will be put on the tub, then automatically will switch on the automatically what automatically that operating the everything, what that washing time, raining time, and the soaking time, everything you display on the screen. The once you operating the tile level everything is over, then automatic what happens, then automatically the water will be take, then automatically soaking all the uh, after that soaking, then after the washing, then raining, then dry, everything will come, then finally will go up to automatically will be machine will be run the level of the cleanliness. That depends on the time and all. The level of cleanliness can be measured compare with the desired cleanliness reference input. For example, I have given here the setting of washing cycle, then clean cold water, old water, and then this control and heater, motor, and pumping and drum. The dirtiness of cloth will drum is cleaning the cloth, then it is pumping water, then that dry it is pumping, then it will go for hot dry, dirtiness water. Okay, this is the example of simple washing machine example. Next, it is the traffic control system. It is also one of the closed loop system. The traffic control system operate on the basis of time only for that open loop. Now we come back to the sequence of control system based on the time slot for given each signal. The time slot decided based on the traffic study. What when the system will not measure density of the traffic. For example, I will take this east and west and this north and south. Okay, the density of traffic from the east is more, then it is slot does not change any according to density because it is open loop. Okay, when the open loop traffic sample may be closed loop if time slot signal based on the density of the traffic, because the when it is density of the east is more, then the flow of the car move from the east to what that west, again is south. Okay, one is will go for south, another is return back to this is, and this is the two different traffic side he has given, because here is given only one type of signal will only for one tracking the signal, and this density of measure by side information to fed the computer, then timing of the control system described by computer based on the density of the traffic. Only if number of cars more than other side, for example east, west, or north, that is depend upon the change of timing, the flow of the vehicles will be better than it close open loop system. Okay, next is the advantage of closed loop system. It is backed by use feedback system response, insensitive to external disturbance, internal variation in the system parameter. Another is it is possible to relative inaccuracy and inexpensive component to obtain accuracy control of the given plant, whereas doing the impossible case of open loop system, impossible possible if of. For in the finally outcome of this closed system, the point of view of the stability, this is very important. In open loop is easy to build because stability is not major problem in the open loop, but on the other hand the stability is major problem in the closed system. Why? Because which tends to over correct error that can be causes oscillation of the constants or change in the amplitude. Understood? This is the depends on stability of the system. System stability, it is a major problem in a closed loop system. In major problem is not there in open loop system. Now we'll just general open loop control system and comparison between closed loop system. Open control system are simple and economically. It is complex and costly, and then consume the less power and is more power, and it is this is comparison. Stability is not major the problem, Stability is major problem in the closed loop system, and in accuracy and reliability and change. This is the we all go through this comparison. And after this practical example, open loop control system, electrical hand dry, automatic washing machine, bread toast, automatic tea or coffee maker, time based cloth dry, light switch, volume, and advantage of open loop, simple construction, economical, all those things we convenient to easy. Disadvantage of open loop system, they are accuracy, they are unreliability. And next we will come back to linear and uh, non-linear control system. Okay, linear and non-linear control system. Now classification of control system in linear and non-linear. It is according to method of analysis and design. The system said to be linear, then if the principle of superposition apply, superposition theorem is applied. The principle of superposition stated that the response produced by simultaneously application of two different forcing function is equal to sum of the two individual response. Okay, hence for the system is linear system. The response to several input can be calculated by treating one input at the time and adding the result. The strictly speaking linear system do not exist in practice. Since all the physical systems are non-linear, some extent, the linear feedback controls are idealizing model fabricated by analysis purely simplicity and analysis and design. When its magnitude of signal can be control system limited to range in which system component extended to beyond the range of linear operation depend upon the uh, longer to be considered linear. The common non-linear affected focus on the control system are that is saturation, backlash, dead play between the couple of gear member, non-linear spring characteristics, non-linear friction force, torque between the moving member, and so on. This is quick non-linear characteristics is intentionally introduce the control system that is improve its performance to provide the more effectively control for instant achievement. For linear system, the wealth of analytical and graphical techniques for designing analysis purpose, but non-linear on the other hand usually difficult to treat mathematical and is no general method for available solving the wide classes of the controls. Next we will come back to time invariant system versus time varying system. Okay. Now when parameters of control systems are stationary with respect to time during operation the system, that is called a time invariant system. Understood? Once again I repeat, the parameter of control system are stationary with respect to time during the operation of the system. That system is called as time invariant system. If the parameter of control system is varying with respect to time during the operation of system, the system is called a time varying system. Okay. In the most physical system contains element that drift or varying with the time. For example, winding resistance of electrical motor will varying with the motor first being excited and temperature raising. Another example, time varying system, missile control system, which is the mass of the missile decreases as the fuel on the board being consumed the flight. Analysis of design in linear time varying systems are usually much more complex than time invariant system. Next we will come back to continuous data and discrete data control system. This continuous data control system is one which signal at various part of the systems are all function of the continuous time varying among all the continuous data control system. That the signal may be further classified as well as AC or DC. In AC control system usually means signals are system modulated by some form of modulating scheme. In other hand, when DC control system, it does not means the signals in the systems are unidirectional, that it is no corrective control moment. The DC control system simple imply that its signal unmodulated, but they are still signal according to the conventional definition.